Hello, all my lovely peoples. How are you all doing? Right, this is an Estonian, one Kroon, and I'm doing this for a friend of mine, Christina. If you're watching this could be for you if you want it. This isn't for anybody in particular. And she told me to remind her, coins, Christina. I need coins. Finnish coins. And this is called the Penetrator. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. And see how she's behaving today. She's still dry. She's not damp today. You're a good girl. She must be out of oil nearly because she's been leaking like a pig, you know. Really bad. I haven't done anything to it. I was going to do something, but needs another slap on the bottom. Who's a naughty boy then? Okay. Everybody good? Everybody happy? The punch part came out as well. That's good. Right, that's good. Now we just want to clean up this inside edge. So if you're from Estonia, and you're looking for a little ring, this isn't a big coin, so it's going to be quite a small ring. If you're a lady or a guy with small fingers, you're just cleaning up the inside edge, making sure there's no cracks or splits forming. Otherwise you're going to split your ring. I just went to like a second-hand shop here where you get second-hand furniture and stuff like that. They do bags of coins sometimes. I've been there like 4 or 5 times. I haven't seen them for a while. I went there today. They had quite a few bags of coins. You know, €70 for a great big bag of coins. So I bought 2 of them. A lot of them are rubbish, but there's some good ones in there. Australian 50 cents. I love them coins. English half a crown. Some Finnish coins, 1 marker coins. So I don't chuck them away, the other ones. I just bag them up and give them back. I mean, 1 coin ring, I'll pay for both of them bags. So if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. God, this is a bit of breakout jaws, I think. There's quite a lot of cleaning up on this one to do. It just helps holding it. That's nearly there. I haven't got the fan on today, but it's warming up a bit because I've been making coins today. Of course, you get Bernie the fire starter on and off all day. It soon warms up in here. Okay, that's good. Let's break out Bernie the fire starter and see what he's got in store for us. Nice powerful flame. Yeah, this will be quite a small ring. Thank my latest subscribers, thank you very much. Yeah, all ladies, perfect ladies and gentlemen, love you to bits. If you'd like to hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. And there's a little red box, bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. But first of all, hit that like button. Right, I think it's going to have to be this sunny side up on the ring. Yeah, there's not much going on there. You've got the date. So this goes face down. The 17-degree folding die. Yeah, so Christina, hope you're doing well. And I want to say it again, coins, coins. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't take you over to Big Red, did I? Never mind, you've seen it 100 times before. Excuse me, I'll just break out Sandy, clean that edge up a bit. It's a bit rough. One Kroon, eh? That's a funny name for currency. Kroon. I'm probably saying it wrong. Right, I don't think I need to break out the fire starter at the moment because this is quite a soft coin. Let's go over to Spike and see what he's got in store for us. This is Spike, the ring stretcher. Yep, you guessed it. This is going to be quite a small ring though, this one. So if you're a lady in Estonia looking for a nice little ring, hey, I've got one. Bit more would be good. Give it a little bit of a turn each time. That way you're stretching your ring equally all the way around. Come on. Behave yourselves. I think maybe a touch more. How's it looking? Yeah, good. Okay, that's enough of that. Right, now I want to get them all straight. So we go down to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reducing dies. That might work. What we've got here. No. No, no, no. A little bit more, I think. So it's still a little bit on the sad side. Make sure it's nice and square. Now I need to go the other way. I went a bit too far. Yeah. Yeah, I did. I went a bit too far. What's happened there? Come out, you bugger. That's better. That's straight. Right. Now, I'm going to break out Christy Burr again. Because, you see that little inside, that lip there on the inside? You want to cut that away. Otherwise it makes the ring uncomfortable to wear. And for that, I want to use jaws again. Because this ring's quite small and my wrist is saying he's had enough today. Bit of advice for you, if you've got a motorcycle, don't drink as well, like I used to. Still, dear, so we've all done it. We've all played the silly games in our lives. That's part of growing up, isn't it? You know? That's sexy. That's why I drink Pepsi. Pepsi keeps you sexy. There you go. So you cut out the inside lip, but you don't lose any of the reeded part. It's just that inside bit it cuts out. Clever stuff, eh? Right, let's break out the one and only Kate Bush. But I must admit her bush isn't looking very bushy today. I've got a new one in. Right, some polish. A nice clean cloth. You can't beat a good clean cloth, can you? Right. Right, let's get rid of Kate and put in Felton John. This is just a felt pad. After the video, my girlfriend cleans these up more because my fingers are still covered in polish and oil. Surprised how much cleaner she gets them. All the rings in my shop are in EU size. You can check them out, yourfingermyring.com. If you want that particular ring, I can adjust the size up or down for you, within reason. Right, let's get out my slightly cleaner cloth. Not too clean, but slightly cleaner. Right, okay. I was looking at the monitor. Was Dave the Dremel in shot, or was he out of shot again? You get so engrossed in doing it, sometimes you end up going over here doing it. You don't really notice till you upload the video and think, oh god, here we go again, out of shot again. Right, there you go. An Estonian coin ring. There's not a great deal going on inside. It's not focusing very well, but there you go. What size we got? Our ring size is, this is a size 58, as near as damn it. So thanks for stopping by. Leave your comments, I'll answer them all. Have a great day, have a safe day. Hit the like button, do the doody dooby dooby doos and things like that, and yeah, have a great one. Take it easy. Bye bye.